Hey y'all, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new 2023 Bennington 23LX quad bench. Guys, this is an awesome boat. Love the colors. This has the smoky granite paneling with the smooth smoky granite accent. Of course, you'll see the docking lights and nav lights and the stainless hardware up front. This boat has the full blackout package. Guys, again, this is a Bennington Pontoon with the SPS package. This is going to be equipped with the Yamaha 150. This boat is not completely rigged yet. Again, it'll have the Yamaha 150 and a ski tow bar. Guys, boarding the boat, you'll see that this has the curved ladder, which is a little easier to get in and out of the water on than some of the others. Beautiful boat with the graphite Simtex upholstery with the diamond pressed accents. Guys, you'll see it has the 20% inlay, plenty of cup holders. Of course, it has portable cup holders as well. Beautiful boat, guys. Plenty of storage underneath all your seats. Everything is utilized. Beautiful boat. Side-by-side captain's chairs, again with the quad bench configuration. This boat does come with the bow filler seat. You'll see it has the bow table as well. Again, the 20% inlay. Speakers, USB ports for your cell phones. Beautiful boat, guys. Available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see it has the Simrad. All your engine performance specs, lake maps, water temp, time of day will be displayed on there. Has the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo and the raised helm. Guys, for more information, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location or check out marinemax.com. Thank you and have a great day.